Oh my goodness. All right, so we talked about yesterday, we talked about solving systems using, I don't like any.
I'll sometimes eat it
I am non-discriminatory in my hatred to icing. I hate it all. I don't care what kind it is.
I hate the big kind. The buttercream. Alright. No, I love whipped cream. I love whipped cream. I don't like the
Teaching part interruption. Students, tonight we play at 8:30 in the division finals against Rivercrest. All students will be allowed free admission to the game. You have to sit in the student section. We're asking you to get rowdy and loud for our boys tonight as we take on Rivercrest. See you.
Do you think I would possibly pass as a student for the evening? That's what I'll do. I'll put on a hoodie, cinch it up tight. You just see my little eyeballs coming out. I'll be like, I swear I'm 14.
Yeah, that should work.
Yes. Anyway, okay. So, what does it mean to eliminate solving systems using elimination? What does that mean? Right, take it away. Get rid of it. Get it out there. That's solving a system using elimination. You are eliminating. Okay, so I'm gonna give you like a super easy one. All right. So this one, do you need to do anything before you can eliminate stuff? Go is go. I'm gonna go shut the door because it's kind of loud. I would love to go to that game tonight, but see, it doesn't start till 8:30. How things work at my house. I'm in bed by 8. I'm not really. All right. So if I just go ahead and add these together as they are right now, what's negative 3x and negative 9x? Negative 12x. And then what happens with a negative 3 and a positive 3? Cancel out. And 12 plus negative 24 is negative 12. Okay, so then what do I do? Divide by negative 12. X is equal to 1. Am I finished? Am I done? No, I am not. So, okay. So, what's your favorite? The top, negative 3 times 1 minus 3y. So, that's negative 3 minus 3y equals 12. How do I move that 3 over? So I have a negative 3y equals trying to check the stream because we're trying to see if this is going to work for Ashton. logging on for her class, but her class had a test today. So, like, I didn't live broadcast a test. So, I'm waiting to see. She's trying, like, they're supposed to see if she can lead class. But nobody, doesn't look like anyone else is logged in yet. All right. So, now this one's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to add a step. All right. Try that one. Okay. We good? All right. So, what did you have to do here? So, the top and bottom one times 1. I equals 16. So then you get a negative 11x equals 11. And then what do I need to do? Divide by negative 11. X equals negative 1. Okay. And then did you put that in the top one or the bottom one or top? So 8 times negative 1 plus y equals negative 6. So I have a negative 8 plus y equals negative 16. How do I get rid of that negative 8? Add 8. And y equals negative 8. So my answer is negative 1, negative 8. I'm going to add one more step. Shades of ugly. Maybe if I can get this paper. Six x plus 2y equals 30. 9x minus 4y equals 3. There you go. what did you do first? Multiply the top one by 2. Why did you do that? Right. So that way our y's would be opposite. Plus 4y equals, what is 9 plus 12? 60 is 63. And then what happens? These minus 18. So 2y equals 12. Divide by 2, divide by 2 to 6. So my answer is 3, comma 6. All right. Let me give you like a really. That one's pretty ugly. Okay, this was. Is there just one number? Opposites, yes. So they'll be the same number. They'll just have opposite signs. One will be a positive, one will be a negative. Okay.
Do they have to be the same number?
It has to be the same number, like 5 and negative 5, 10. All right, so one thing you need to know is there are 14 of you in here, and there are 14 different ways that you can answer this problem and be right. Okay, so just because you don't do it exactly like we're about to do it doesn't mean that you are wrong. Okay, so first of all, we get to decide because there's nothing here that lends itself easily to being eliminated. So do you want to eliminate y's? Y's, okay. So I want to get rid of the y, so I need them to be the same number but opposite signs. So what number did you try to get your y's to be? 18, okay. So I'm going to multiply this one times some kind of 9, kind of 2. Which one did you make positive? Which one did you make negative? Negative, that's what I heard, so that's what we're going with. Going to work out. So that's going to be 27x is, let's see. So negative, all right. So that's going to be a negative 4x minus 18y equals a positive 24. What's 27 plus negative 4x? 23x. These cancel out. And what does x equal? Negative 6. All right, and what do I do with that? Plug it in, okay? So it's a negative 18 plus 2y equals negative 18. Ooh, this is easy because when I add 18, what happens? Cancels out. So that means y is 0. So my answer is negative 6, 0.